Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unreveal the 8 principle of success. A pleasant nature. Imagine a world where sleep is a luxury and time is a precious commodity. This was the reality for Henry Ford, one of the most successful and influential individuals of his time. Ford, the founder of Ford Motor Company and the father of modern assembly lines, was known for his relentless work ethic and dedication to his craft. For years, Ford pushed himself to the limits, often sleeping no more than 3 hours a night. While this may seem extreme, it was a testament to his unwavering commitment to his vision and the principles of success. Ford believed that every waking moment was an opportunity for growth and progress. His limited sleep schedule allowed him to maximize his productivity and immerse himself fully in his work. Ford was driven by a relentless desire to innovate and improve, constantly pushing boundaries and challenging the status. While Ford's sleeping habits may not be suitable or sustainable for everyone, they highlight an important principle of success: unwavering dedication and commitment. Ford's story serves as a reminder that success requires sacrifice and a willingness to go above and beyond. That's for today. Thanks.